Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do some yoga that will work to build your core and also help you to lose some weight. So let's begin. Simply you come onto the mat like this and extending your legs out. Now this is very important that some people may do like that, then it's not going to work onto your belly, it's going to work onto your shoulders, right? So we want to work onto your belly, so you're going to lift your hips slightly up. Your body should be straight. Now if this is okay, it's easy. Gently bring one leg and bring it forward. Hold it for 5 seconds. Bring it back. Repeat the same other side. Bring it back. Another side. So you could easily repeat this for about 5 times each side. And when you are done, rest in the cat pose, and you could repeat this for about 3 times. That will nicely loosen up the weight around the belly, the sides. Repeat again. Bending the leg one by one, 5 seconds each or less or more, depending on how effective, how easy you feel. And then rest in the cat pose again. And repeat one more time. Go back into the cat pose. And then interlock your fingers like this. Bring your elbows on the ground. And do the same again. Stretching your legs out. Keeping your hip slightly down, like not so down, not so up. In the middle, center. And rest in the cat pose, and you could repeat the same for about 3 times. or you can keep resting in this. Just kneel down your knees. Whenever you're ready, stretch legs again. 15 seconds to up to 1 minute. And kneel down to rest. Third time. Kneel down. And then come on to the cat again. Slide your knees out. Then extending your right arm up and left leg back. Down, chain the side. Down. Repeat 3 times each side. Down. The side. Last, third time. You can hold each time, each side for about 5 seconds to up to 30 seconds. Come down. And you're done. You see, like just few exercises and you can see how I'm sweating already. These exercises are really effective. So if you do these exercises that we're doing on daily basis for, let's say, about 1 month, you definitely will see the change. So if you practice, and if you only have to do is to improve the seconds of holding. So if you start with 5 seconds, then you increase up to 10, 15, 20, 30, 1 minute, whatever. So the more seconds you increase, the longer the exercise will be. But these few exercises only gonna be very effective already. So practice these and play with it and see how you feel. Whether can you hold it only for 5 seconds in the beginning, and after that can you hold it for longer. Just play with it. There's nothing wrong that you can do. Only make sure that your stomach is empty and you have some water with you so you can drink the water, and just practice. If you have any question, any comment, go ahead, comment below and let me know so that I can come back with the answer. I can see what I can do else for you to reduce your body weight and to reduce your belly fat and to build the core so that you can have a nice flat belly and you look attractive and sexy. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.